With over 35 years of experience across the entire CAM process chain, we offer an open overall system for dental laboratories and chairside applications. Everything from a single source, everything made by VHF. We develop and manufacture all of our dental milling and grinding machines in-house. Whether for dry or wet processing, for laboratories and dental practices, our portfolio has the right solution for every user. Perfect results can only be achieved with the right tools. That's why we also manufacture our dental tools ourselves and test each one using both the latest testing technology and visual inspection. Software development has always been part of our DNA. With our DentalCam software package, we digitize workflows in dental laboratories and practices, so you achieve the perfect restorations at maximum speed without any prior knowledge. It doesn't get any easier than this. Thanks to our open system, you have almost unlimited freedom to combine the suitable materials according to your wishes, knowing it has been thoroughly tested and validated in our test center. And if you have any questions, our after-sales service will support you throughout the entire CAM process. Tailor-made training courses for our users and service partners at our VHF Academy, either on-site, in our showroom, or online, complete our portfolio. VHF, creating perfection.